Welcome back everyone. So in our last class we did the first side of the LED Pong, and this is lesson 2 where we're going to be soldering on the microprocessor and the different wires to our buttons on the reverse side. So this is LED Pong. Alright, so it's soldering time. So right here we have a soldering iron and a station here, and you'll notice that there's a little switch here. The 1 is actually a binary number, meaning 1, and the O is a 0, so that means off. So put it to the 1, and you'll see that the light turns on. And you want to change the temperature to 350 degrees. And there's several safety precautions. Make sure that you wear goggles. And make sure that your board is always on the metal surface. Basically, this is solder. We have some copper wire brush, and we have some flux. And basically, the very first thing that you're going to do with your soldering iron is we're going to clean it. And to clean it, you can put it in to the flux. And you want to make sure that the tip is nice and shiny. And we're going to tin the tip by just using some solder here. Just be careful. We're going to tin there. After tinning it, you have a nice clean tip. The soldering, there's going to be a jumper wire from the ground pin to the push button. So that's the very first one. And then the next one we can do is the ground to the switch. And then we're going to be soldering in these 3 pins here to D4, 5, and 6 to the LED strip. And then next we will solder from the other push button ground to ground. Have a wire there. And from the other leg, we're going to go to D2. So that's the 2 buttons and the LED strip all connected. And then the positive wire is going to go to of the speaker going to go to D3, and then the last wire that we need to solder is from A1 over here to this push button here, and then that's all the wires that we will solder together. Just also remember that this connects to ground, and then later when we have our charger board, it has a positive and negative that goes to the battery, and the positive one is going to go up to VIN, and the negative one will go to the middle pin, the common pin of our switch. So I'm just going to change the color here. So this is going to go like that. And that's basically the circuitry there. We'll also give you a schematic so you can kind of see this picture. A small thin wire. I'm going to connect on like that. And then push it down. We can solder it on like that to break it off. Just give it a little pull. Now we can put the speaker wire to the rightmost pin right here, just by peeling this a little bit off. This, we're at D4, 5, and 6. Just so I'm going to solder those pins on. Just putting a little bit. Just going to bend this out like that. So I had the one pin with ground, 4, 5, 6, and solder on these right here. D2 to this leg here. So that's about the design, and all you have to do is connect it to the computer, upload your code, and you're good to play. Enjoy.
Play? Oh, it gets so fast. The green museum is not that. No.
Okay, you won. Nice. If you like electronics, you can check out one of my other videos and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.